Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the simple harmonic motion. First we discuss its definition. Simple harmonic motion is a oscillatory motion. Simple harmonic motion is a oscillatory motion along a straight line in which acceleration or force is always directed toward the main position, and its magnitude is proportional to the displacement from its mean position. To understand the simple harmonic motion, here we take the example of block and spring. Here they place a rectangular block on a smooth frictionless surface. Attach one end of the spring to the rigid support and the other end of the block is in free. Pull the block of mass M toward the right and release it. Here the block is in the rest position when we pull the block toward the right and stretch it, and then release it. When we release it, then it again in the compressed position. So the block will begin to and fro motion about its mean position. This motion is called simple harmonic motion. In this diagram shows the equilibrium position in which the spring exerts no force on the block. If the block is displaced toward the right, here the block is displaced toward the right. The block is displaced toward the right from its equilibrium position. The force exerted by the spring on the block is directed toward the left. Here also a force is exerted on the block that is directed toward the left. That force is the restoring force. This is the external force and this is the restoring force. Here Fe is the external force or applied force and Fr is the restoring force. This restoring force is act on the block to move to it toward the left. Account of its elastic property, the spring tend to regain its original shape and size when its exerting force is removed. This is responsible to bring back it. This restoring force is responsible to bring back the block on its original position. Restoring force. Here we write about the restoring force, which is responsible to bring the block to its original position. Now we write it definition. This force is proportional to the displacement, but its direction is opposite to that of the displacement. Here, when we exert force on the block as we displace the block of the displacement as, then the restoring force that is act on opposite of the block to regain height that is responsible for the block to regain original position. Then the block is again come to its equilibrium position. Here this is the direction of the displacement and this is direction of the force. Both are the opposite. So here we write Fr is directly proportional to minus x. Both are opposite to each other. When we remove the proportionality sign, that is equal to Fr is equal to minus kx. As the block moves toward the mean position, its speed is increasing due to its acceleration. When the block is stretched from its mean position, acceleration is increasing. When it moves toward its mean position, its speed is increasing, but its displacement is decreasing when it moves toward the mean position. So in the mean position, the displacement is 0, acceleration is 0, force is 0 at equilibrium position or mean position. But when the spring is compressed or stretched toward the right, then its acceleration is at maximum and displacement and x, that is maximum. Here is also acceleration is maximum and displacement is also maximum, but here is the velocity is 0. Here is also velocity is 0. But when it's released in equilibrium position, velocity is maximum. So when the spring is stretched or compress, then velocity 0 acceleration is maximum, displacement is maximum, but at the mean position displacement is 0, acceleration 0 and force is 0, but velocity is maximum. When the velocity is maximum at the mean position, then the block does not stay at equilibrium position, it moves toward the left, and in the compressed position, then the storing force act on it to move toward the right and again at equilibrium position.